back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is for those of you that are in the United States only. If you're in the United States, you know as the year comes to an end, we are gearing up for tax time at the beginning of the new year. And big tax giant H&R Block is hiring a social media representative. Now, this is a seasonal job, of course, just for the tax season, and this is remote work from home. This is a 100% work from home opportunity. H&R Block is looking for someone to be flexible in the schedule they can work. They do offer shift differential pay for mid-evening and weekend shifts. But they are looking for a research agent to research their knowledge base and address any client issues received through the H&R Block social media channels. They have multiple social media channels, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll monitor and address the client concerns that arrive either via Google Play or the iOS App Store reviews also. You'll communicate with clients through chat and email mainly, but there are times you may have to pick up the phone and reach out to them. You'll escalate any issues to internal teams when necessary. You'll actively participate in routine one-on-one coaching sessions that focus on performance, and you'll handle any additional task as needed. So they're really looking for someone to do customer service for their social media channels. They do not require any kind of college degree or tax accounting degree. You just have to have a high school diploma or GED. They do want someone who is experienced in customer service or financial services position is strongly preferred, but not required. You do have to know general computer navigation knowledge and have experience again with Microsoft Office computer troubleshooting because you'll be working on your own from home. Now, they do look like they offer different shifts. They have a 7 a.m. to a 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time shift. They have an 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time shift, a 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time shift, and then they have a 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time shift. If you live outside of the Central Time Zone, you'll have to convert your hours to that time zone to see if that works for you. However, they do pay $17 an hour for this position. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.